My love of life, my confidence, my happiness, my friends, my figure, my sense of family life, my personality, my education, my health, everything. Everything. My eating disorder tells me the rest of life is beautiful, not me.
I'd be happier if I was skinnier.
No one will ever like me because my fat disgusts them.
If I lost weight, I'd be a better person.
I need to try harder, not trying hard enough.
Useless, lazy,
fake, unlovable.
I fail at life because I eat too much.
I'm a bitch. I'm a whore. I'm a lard. I'm a whale.
I can't live without the high that I get from my eating disorder.
I'm a monster. I'm as bad as they come.
That I'm damaged goods.
incapable of living life.
That have no control over my eating disorder.
I've never been good enough.
It would be better for everybody if I would just disappear.
If I'm not gonna be skinny, I might as well be dead.
I'm worthless.
My eating disorder is there for me when no one else is. It's my rock. My eating disorder has stolen middle school, high school, almost all of college,
Friendships.
My goals, my dreams.
my life up until now.
My youth, my strength.
The first few years of my children's lives.
My marriage.
The trust of family and friends who grew tired of watching me hurt myself.
My eating disorder stolen a healthy future.
The love of food.
A good night's sleep.
My happiness, my sanity, my patience,
My self-confidence. My self-worth.
my integrity.
My faith.
Money.
My credit score. My house. My voice.
My ability to enjoy myself and be carefree.
My eating disorder stole my identity.
Days and hours in which I could have been happy.
I can't imagine what I could have done with all the time that I wasted obsessing about my body and about food.
My hope. And without hope, you don't understand. There are infinite possibilities.
Instead of excelling in a career or having children, I'm struggling every day. Because my eating disorder has stolen my freedom.
It's stolen everything. Sometimes I think, for it all, I hate my eating disorder most for stealing my hope.